What if I told you there's a horror content format quietly pulling millions of views without jump scares, flashy visuals, or daily uploads? A format built entirely on atmosphere, voice, and psychological tension. And most creators are completely overlooking it. There's a narration channel inspired by Creeps McPasta that started uploading consistently less than a year ago. No fancy thumbnails, no clickbait titles, just slow burn horror stories. Yet in a matter of months, several of their uploads crossed hundreds of thousands of views, with one story breaking past 1 million. So what's the secret? They're not reinventing horror, they're refining it. Instead of short, fast-paced scares, they focus on long-form, first-person stories, the kind that feel like a confession you were never meant to hear. Stories that take their time, stories that let silence do the work. If you've followed horror narration for a while, this probably sounds familiar. Creeps McPasta helped define this style years ago. Now let's jump to how to generate video. Step 1 is titles, which is already done for you. Before we touch anything else, we need the title, because in this niche, the title does most of the heavy lifting. And this is where I've already saved you hours. I have put a title prompt in Google Docs, of which I have given link in the description. Now copy the titles and paste it on ChatGPT. Free version is good to go to give ideas according to these titles. You'll get 10 best titles out of it. You can ask ChatGPT to pick one best out of it or select one yourself. As you have seen, we have found our desired title. Step 2 is the script. Inside that same Google Doc, I've already written a complete, usable script prompt for you. This prompt is designed to turn your chosen title into a full-length, first-person horror narration in the exact Creeps McPasta style tone we want. You don't need to write anything yourself. Just copy the entire script prompt from the Google Doc. Then open ChatGPT, paste that prompt into the chat, and replace the placeholder title inside the prompt with the title you selected in step 1. Hit enter. That's it. ChatGPT will generate a full horror story based on your title, structured like a YouTube narration script, with a gripping hook, gradual escalation of dread, and a memorable, eerie ending. Step 3 is voiceover creation. Once your script is ready, it's time to bring it to life with voiceover, and for this, we use 11 Labs. First, copy the full horror script you generated in step 2. Then head over to 11 Labs and open the text-to-speech section. Paste your script directly into the text box. Next, choose your voice. For this niche, we already have a voice selected that works perfectly with horror suspense niche Nathaniel C. Keep all other settings at their default values. There's no need to adjust them for this niche. Now click Generate and listen to the output, and then download it. Step 4, background image generation. We have already done this step for you. We have created a universal horror image prompt for you in that Google Docs file. All you need to do is copy that prompt. Open Gemini. Every time you want a new background image, open a new chat in Gemini, paste the prompt, and generate the image. This ensures you get fresh, varied visuals while keeping the same dark cinematic horror style that fits the niche. Step 5, video creation. We'll use Canva.com for video creation, but you can use any editing app you're comfortable with. In Canva, upload the background image you generated in step 4 and your voiceover file from 11 Labs and sync it with the image. Now for the only editing you really need for this niche is to add some filters to enhance it. Or you can add slow zoom in or pan effects to the image too. You can also add a suspenseful background music. That's how you make a perfect horror-airy story video. Step 6, thumbnail. Inside the same Google Doc, you'll find a ready-made thumbnail prompt designed specifically for this horror niche. All you need to do is copy that thumbnail prompt. Then open ChatGPT, paste the prompt into the chat, and follow the instructions it gives you to generate the thumbnail idea, text, and visual direction. Once you have the thumbnail concept, you can quickly design it in Canva or any thumbnail editor you prefer. No overthinking, no testing dozens of ideas, just copy, paste, and create a high CTR horror thumbnail that matches your title and story. This is all you need to do. Make sure to like the video, subscribe the channel, and turn on channel notification for more videos to help you in your YouTube journey.